Hello, David here, and the project for today is removing the handle on this kitchen faucet. It's made by a company called Brizo, B-R-I-Z-O. And there's an Allen screw in here. And it's stuck. I'm going to try to apply some heat to it first. It's hard to get to because this is the replacement handle, and that's what you're facing. The Allen screw is right there. It's hard to apply heat to it. I'm going to try applying heat to the wrench to see if that'll transfer to the screw. I figure maybe it's either corroded or maybe there's Loctite on there. I don't know. I'm going to keep the heat on for a while. Everything in there is metal, and the stem for a replacement is metal as well, and we have a replacement cartridge with a stem on it. So I could get it pretty hot, see if we can get it to budge. Actually, this company is a Delta company, but there's a part number on there. I am not finding a part number. Oh, here we go. RP60114. Ooh, it is pretty hot. Usually when you see a little bit of smoke coming out, then you know if there's Loctite on the screw. Then you know that Loctite is burning off. Not seeing any smoke, but then that screw is buried in there about 3/4 of an inch. Funny that the Allen wrench is not that hot. It's cooled off some. This wrench was slipping in there before, and I can't tell if it's coming or not. No, I'm pretty sure it's slipping in there. I'm going to try Allen wrench the next size up. My number 0 screw extractor won't bite. So I'm going to drill it out a little bit. I got a 9/64 drill bit. Okay, the screw extractor is not biting, so I've been progressively going up to larger drill bit sizes. So now I'm up to a 1/4 inch. Yeah, that should have done something. Is it coming? That 1/4 inch is larger than the set screw, so I really don't think there's anything. Ah, here we go. It's out. Yay. See that? Okay, so that cartridge, do we screw this off?
Yeah, I've got
Okay.
I got a little layout here, and then there's a.
Does this pull straight out?
That,
Does that have flaps on it? Fortunately, I brought one of these. I hope this gets large enough.
Success?
well, we got that part off, but now we can't get the cartridge on.
Uh-oh.
What?
This doesn't go large enough. Let it go. Look at that. Mike comes through in a pinch. Yes. See, that has gaskets here. Did these gaskets stick in there? Yeah, here it is. We need to pull this thing out of there. I see there's pegs on there, 2 pegs at one end, 1 peg at the other. And if you look inside the board, the 2 pegs are on top, so you won't mix up hot and cold. So it goes like that. Okay, time for the bonnet nut. I think I should wrench this down a little bit. It's only brass, so don't go gorilla with it. Okay, so this has an Allen nut on the new handle, so it's a friction fit.
Yeah, it
onto
goes into
there.
one of these.
So is this the... Yeah, okay, that fits.
Yeah, we'll just hand tighten
So
it
we
a
go...
little.
I don't remember what position that was in. Off, on, is that how it goes?
No, yeah, one that's
Is it,
cold and
should
hot.
it be, I mean,
Yeah.
does it have to go, is it on the wrong flat, or is it?
No, that's the way it is.
That's the way it
for
should
hot.
go?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to snug this Allen screw down a little bit. Hey, for the future, you guys want to put some anti-seize on that Allen screw in the future? That way it won't lock up on you. You don't have any anti-seize here, do you?
No.
Okay, you turn the water on. Wait, not yet. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's do this also.
I'm going to open it up slightly.
I got one more to do.
Okay. I just wanted the valve open so when the water starts flowing it doesn't pound into the valve.
Okay.
Okay, is this way hot?
That's cold.
That's cold. Let's make sure cold is cold and hot is hot. Don't burn yourself.
Just warming up. It
Got
takes a
more?
while.
Okay. Good.
Yep.
I'm going to consider this video a success. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.